Hello friends, in my previous lecture we have to discuss multi-level inheritance with the practical demonstration, and in my current video lecture we are going to discuss hierarchical inheritance in Java with practical demonstration. Here I am going to use the Eclipse as a IDE. First of all, I have to click on the file, new, and take a Java project. Here we need to write my project, and simply I'm giving my project name as a hierarchical inheritance demo, and click on the next, then finish. My project is displayed under the package explorer, and simply I'm explore it and then right click on the SRC. Pop-up menu will display here, and click on the new and take a class. Here we need to write my class name. I'm giving my class name as a class 1, and check the public static void main method stub, and then click on the finish. My class is created here successfully with the main method, and I am again going to right click on the SRC and click on the new and take a class, a class, and public static void main method we don't have need, so I left here because I have already taken in the class 1, and then click on the finish. My a class is created here, and simply I'm going to create a method public int sum and passing two arguments x and y, and return the addition of x plus y, and terminated with semicolon, and save it. I'm again right click on the SRC, new, and take a class. Here we need to again write my class name as giving here the b. I don't need to check main method, then click on the finish, press enter. I'm going to create a method sub and passing two arguments x and y, and return subtraction of x minus y to the sub method. And here I am going to inherit the class A into the B class, so I am using here the extend keyword. After that, A means all the feature of A class inherit into the B class. When you will create the object of the B class, then the sum and sub both method available with the object of the B class, because the A method inherit into the A class inherit into the B class. And I'm again go to SRC and right click and click on the new and take another class, and here we need to write my class name, and simply I'm giving my class name as a C, and then click on the finish. And within the C class I'm going to create a method multi, and passing two arguments x and y, and then return x multiplied by y, terminated with semicolon, and save it. And here I am going to use the inheritance with the help of extend keywords and inherit the A class into the C class, means the sum method also available into the C class after the inheritance. When you will create the object of the C class, on that case the sum method available into the C class. Look here, ABC. In hierarchical inheritance, only one parent class and number of child class, means many child class. In my concept, in my program, A is the parent class, that is only one, and B and C is the child class of the A class, and that is more than one child class. So here is the concept of hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, all the classes will show in the hierarchical format. Okay, and I going to delete and save it. Come inside the class 1. Here I am going to create the object of the B class as a obj1 equal new B, and then declaring a variable A equal obj1 dot sum and passing two argument 20, 10 terminated with semicolon, then int s equal obj1 dot sub passing two argument 10 and 5 terminated with semicolon, and using here the system dot out dot println to print the value of A and B onto the console. Then write here the addition colon and then A plus space and subtraction and then yes. I am going to again write creating the object of the C class obj2 equal new C and creating a variable A1 equal obj2 dot sum, passing here the 30, 10 terminated with semicolon, int m equal obj2 dot multi, passing here the 10, 5 terminated with semicolon, and using the system dot out dot println to print the value of A1 and that is the addition plus A1, and then provide the space and then multiplication and plus m. Okay, and save it. There is a problem. B is undefined for the sum. Why? First I am going to check. Okay, and first save it because I forgot. Come here, and error has gone, and again save it and right click on the hierarchy, my project, and run as Java application. Okay, look here, the addition of this sum and the value stored into the A, print the 30 and subtraction 5, and with the help of object 2 we are calling here the sum method and multi, the value of where the value stored into the A1 and M. We will print the value of A1 and M with the help of system.out.println, and the answer is 40 and 50 because 10 multiplied by 5, answer is 50, and 30 plus 10 40. Thank you friends, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.